Hi, my name's Melinda. Welcome back. I wanted to share today a few reasons why I love art and why I think you should get back to doing art or start doing art. Oh my gosh. This is gonna take forever. Hi, my name's Melinda. Welcome back. I wanted to talk today about contour drawings and how they can help you get started with art or get back to doing art. I know that you want to start art, but you also don't want to start somewhere. You don't want to start where you're at, and you don't want to look stupid. And this is the way that I got into art. It's no pressure, and it's just a way to kind of calm your mind and enjoy the moment. It's called contour drawing. So a contour drawing is drawing the outline of something. It sounds really simple, and it is, but it takes some effort and concentration. The thing I love about it is there are different kinds of contour drawings you can do. You can do a blind contour drawing, which means that you're putting your pen to your paper and you're only looking at the object. You're not even looking down at your paper. Or you can do what I like to do, which is kind of a mix. So you're looking at the object and you're looking at your paper, but you're not too attached to what's on the paper. You're mostly looking at the object. So the end result ends up looking kind of wonky and kind of funky, but it has a lot of life to it, and I love that. I've gotten more into drawing realistic the last couple years, but really my whole life I've loved wonky drawings and cartoons and just having fun. It feels fun to me. So I'm going to share today how to do that, and I think you'll really like it. It helps calm your mind because you have to stay so focused in what you're doing that you don't have time to worry about other things, which I know I'm totally guilty of. It is just worrying about things. So this is a really good way, and it expands your appreciation for what's in front of you. I'm always amazed when you sit down to draw something, even like an apple or a leaf, and how hard it is to get it to look realistic. And it really expands my gratitude for these things that we really take for granted and don't really appreciate. And I have to say that drawing and art has really expanded my appreciation for the things in my life. And it reminds me to slow down and enjoy what's in front of me. And I really think that you're gonna like it. So let's dive in. Today I'm gonna be using a pen. Just so you know, you got to be okay with what happens, and I think that's great because the pen makes you commit and there's no erasing, so you have to just be in the moment and enjoy it. So let's start. So I've got a banana here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with this contour drawing. And remember, it's gonna look a little crazy, but I think it's fun, and this is what I recommend you do. If you feel totally intimidated to get a sketchbook and really start drawing, then pick up a pen and just draw what's in front of you. While you're watching TV, while you're eating breakfast, draw your breakfast. So I'm just gonna take a look at this and, get a rough idea for the shape. I kind of just use my fingers. You can kind of see, you can measure how tall it is compared to the width. And yeah. Oh freak, of course my pen's not working. Okay, I got it going. I really love these contour drawings. This is really what got me into art after a long hiatus. I love drawing wonky things, and if you know me, I'm kind of weird. And I love that it looks crazy, it's fun to me. I would say that this is really my first love in drawing. Was just drawing cartoons as a kid and doodling. So it's fun for me, and it's fun to see how it turns out. It's not, I think stuff like this is beautiful. So one of the first things I started doing when I first started drawing was drawing my food, because it's something easy. You don't have to think about what to draw. You can just draw what's in front of you. So that could be a good thing if you wanted when you get started. These are kind of tricky, so some of the surprise to me too is seeing how it ends up, because it's not gonna be really accurate, which is it's kind of the fun to me. I use this sometimes just as a distraction if I'm having a particularly difficult day. I like doing stuff like this, and slowing down and just having fun. I think a lot of people want to do art, they just are embarrassed. You don't want anyone to laugh at you. You want to be good right from the get-go, and that's really not the way it works. If I mess up, I just draw right over it. I know so many people struggle with anxiety and would benefit from doing exercises like this. As you can see, it's totally crazy. But I don't know, I don't know what I love about it. I think I like that it's just imperfect and crazy. Pen's going out on me. I don't know. You can add more detail if you want, but maybe it's just doodling, but this is for sure one of my favorite things to do. Just mindless activities other than scrolling on your phone. I don't know. I just have kind of fun with it. I just love weird things, weird drawings. It's kind of a fun sketchbook thing to do. I love designing sketchbooks, pages. I don't know. It's kind of crazy looking, I know it is, but it's fun. So that's my challenge for this week to you guys, is get some contour drawings going and have fun. Don't judge it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Use a pen so that you commit and you just go for it, and you be okay with mistakes. I think that's that's one of the best lessons and hardest lessons to learn in life is being okay with a little wonkiness and being okay with not being perfect. Okay, I know what you're thinking. It looks crazy. It doesn't look accurate, but I promise you, if you try it, you're gonna love it and you're gonna be hooked. So leave me a comment down below what you're going to contour draw this week. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, and please share it with your friends. Otherwise, I'm gonna go sit in a corner and I'm gonna cry. Go make some art.